Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved use Audi A3 Saloon S-Line 30 TFSI with the 6-speed manual transmission. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Daytona grey pleasant paintwork, which has really give this A3 that standout road appearance. Now as you look towards some of the key features, and with this being the S-Line model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional sporty trims such as the front bumper, rear diffuser and side profile. As well as this, the S-Line does come with the chrome window surrounds, the chrome badging and the new Audi rhombus black A3 badge. Now moving towards the front of the vehicle, we do find these fantastic adaptive LED headlights with digital light signatures. These are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find the S-Line specific 18-inch 5 twin-spoke graphite grey gloss-turned wheels. They do really complement the grey paint. Moving in now to the rear seats, where we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. There is even a leather centre armrest which just fold down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. Moving into the rear boot space now of the A3 Saloon, where we find up to 425 litres of storage space. There's a large amount for a saloon vehicle of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and luxurious interior with a large amount of plush material such as leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean you get the full leather seats with the Audi Sports logo in the centre and a lovely white stitching to complement. Above now we find the Audi Sports rev counter, and as well as this you get access to satellite navigation, telephone connectivity and vehicle driving data. Now towards the centre of the dashboard we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which is also include satellite navigation and allows access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now just below this we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities located either side of this for both front passengers. So thank you for watching this video of the approved use Audi A3 S-Line, which is now available at Stafford Audi.